Alrighty, so say we wanted to use the new Unity input system to move this character around. In our player input handler, we're going to need to add a using to the new Unity input system. So using Unity engine.input system. And then we want to define two variables for the input actions, one for the move action and one for the jump action. Then we also want to get a reference to our character controller, private character controller underscore character controller. Then in our awake function, we'll just assign the move action equals input system dot actions dot find action, and we'll use the move action. Jump action equals input system dot actions dot find action jump. Then for our jump action, because it's a button press, we can subscribe to the performed event. So we can say jump action dot performed plus equals, and we'll need a function. We'll call this function jump. So we need to actually define that function. So we can say private void jump, and we need an input action dot callback context parameter. Then in our update function, to get the value of our vector2 from our move input, all we need to do is define a vector2 move vector, and we can call move action dot read value and pass in the type of vector2. And there we go. Then we're reading the value every frame. Now we just need to get a reference to our character controller. So back in our awake function, we'll say character controller equals get component character controller. And in our jump function, we'll call character controller.jump. And in our update function, we'll call character controller.move. And now when we hit the play button, our character can move around, and when we press the jump button, they will jump.